Hi, my friend. Now practice sentence you know. Please speak English with me. It's not difficult to speak English. Everything is ready. Practice makes perfect. My mother is a wonderful teacher. He speaks perfect English. Remember to call your mother. America and Vietnam should always work together. Sorry to bother you. You have a charming smile. Always say please and thank you. It's important to practice English every day. The last sentence. You should work hard. Okay, thank you very much for watching.